Mm. Yummy. Nikojirunga mo. Good. I do hope that you like our recipe today. And if you're interested with my recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification to be updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next videos. Mata ne! See you on my next videos. Bye bye.